With the calendar, you can view and manage all your reservations in one place. Let's see what you can do with it. The calendar shows all of your rentals and reservations. Navigate through dates to plan ahead or review past bookings. To view the monthly calendar for a specific listing, click here. It is possible to show nightly rate, minimum nights, or both at the same time. Adjusting how you view your calendar helps you set better prices and manage reservations more easily. Hover over any reservation to see key details, from booking channels to guest information. Need to edit a reservation? Click here and choose Edit Reservation to make the necessary changes, ensuring your calendar is always up to date. You can access the full reservation page by clicking here, providing an in-depth breakdown for more precise guest management. To create a reservation manually, drag across the dates you want. This enables you to quickly fill gaps in your calendar. Adjust the calendar by blocking out dates or changing rates and minimum nights directly. A block in your calendar marks when your rental is busy with maintenance or cleaning, lasting a whole day or more. Use the calendar to tweak your rental's price and minimum stay. This tool lets you easily adjust rates and stays for specific dates, offering flexibility to meet demand and optimize earnings. Keeping track of your rental's cleaning status is effortless. Simply update it with just a few clicks. This keeps everything organized and ensures your property is always ready for guests. In order to take full advantage of the calendar, head over to the Listings page and select the Calendar tab. Here you can set availability, sync calendars, view the monthly calendar, and manage smart rules so that your rental gets the most exposure and avoids double bookings. The Guesty Calendar simplifies booking management by enabling straightforward reservation creation and clear display of calendar blocks, saving you time and elevating the overall guest experience. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our help center. Thanks for watching.